Introducing the stunning 2026 Volvo V90 T6 Plus AWD in sleek black. With only 10,000 miles on the clock, this estate vehicle boasts a 2-litre petrol-electric engine and comes fully loaded with top-of-the-line features. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car has it all. Safety is a top priority with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, giving you peace of mind on every drive. The 360 view camera and parking assistance make navigating tight spots a breeze. With a full, multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and a comprehensive warranty, this Volvo V90 is ready to hit the road. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today. Drive in style and safety with the Volvo V90 T6 Plus AWD.